how to replace the LCD screen. First we take the cover off. Okay, we take 2 screws, one from there and to the back, this one and this one. Okay, then you should remove that. And now we can remove the cover. Okay. So next, we need a screwdriver or something to just wedge it here and push the PCB down. Yep, on both ends. Next one. Okay, it's loose. Okay, comes off from there and putting a new one back. Plug it like that. Push it there and just clips. Okay. And one important thing to make sure that this little white switch is not sticking out. I'll show you how it looks. Very hard. You have to see it is nice and flat basically. If it sticks up a little bit, it basically get an error called external shutdown. You just make sure you push the when it's down, sitting nice and flat. Can't feel it. Okay. It's all done.